Delivery task received. I'm off.
Happy birthday to you.
It is a pleasure to serve you. Looking forward to seeing you again.
Click on Settings icon. Input the password to enter the administrator interface. Click Function, Mail Delivery. Scroll down the page and turn on the Birthday Mode button. Supposed to customize the delivery voice. You may choose either text-to-speech or voice file with uploading an audio file to broadcast to guests. It requests to import the audio files in advance in Advert at Library. CADEBOT supports to change the advertising scheme for birthday mode. Click the cake icon in the top right corner of main interface to switch to birthday mode. Double-tap the screen and input the password to cancel the task.